If you want natural everyday English, this expression is non-negotiable. It's a must. Native speakers say, I feel run down all the time. But the meaning is not literal. It is extremely flexible. It changes depending on the situation. Today we'll go deeper, revise episode 1, and make this expression automatic for you. Before we continue, let's quickly revise. In episode 1, you learn run down, to run from high to low, and then run down, the phrasal verb, battery empty, building becoming old, a car hitting someone, and then run down as a noun, a short summary. And another one, run down, looking tired or weak. Now let's discuss the idiomatic expression. When someone says, I feel run down, it means tired, weak, low in energy, or recovering from something like stress, illness, or lack of sleep. Simple examples. I feel run down today because I didn't sleep well last night. She looks run down because she has done 3 long shifts. We all felt run down after the long flight. He gets run down easily when he skips meals. So there you are. That's run down. Feeling tired, lack of energy, run down. Now, a short paragraph. Last night, I worked every night until midnight. By the end of the week, I felt completely run down. Even when I tried to study, my brain felt slow and heavy. My friend took a look at me and said, You look run down. Take a break. That's it. Now let's look at run down as an adjective. She looks run down. He seems run down lately. The whole team is starting to feel run down. So, which means they are tired. She looks tired. It's a look. Now, a paragraph for you. My cousin got the flu. Even after the fever went away, she still looked run down. She walked slowly, spoke quietly, and needed another day to rest because her body was still very run down. Next, run down as a noun again. It's a thing. Give me a quick rundown of the movie. Here's a rundown of what we learned today. Before we start, I'll give you a rundown of the plan. So here rundown means a summary, a quick go over, an example passage. Our manager gave us a short rundown of the project. It helped everyone understand the main goals before we started. So now let's practice the rhythm of the idiom. Listen first. I feel run down. She looks run down. We are all run down. Now shadow with me. I feel run down. She looks run down. We all feel run down. We are all run down. Here's how to use it in a paragraph, either speaking or writing. Last week, I had a major university project, and I slept very late every night. By the end of the week, I felt completely run down. Even during my speaking practice, I struggled to focus because I was so run down. I realized I needed to rest before continuing. Finally, a short summary of the whole mini series. Run down and run down. They are flexible, multi purpose English expressions. They can describe movement, accidents, batteries, buildings, summaries. The car ran me down. My battery is run down. Oh, that building over there, it's rundown. Or I'll give you a rundown of the lesson today. I feel rundown. So, as a native speaker, we use them automatically without thinking. The context, it just comes out automatically. So, if you understand the context, the meaning becomes clear. If you practice the rhythm, the expression becomes natural. You have now heard and we have gone through, we have given you a rundown of the major meaning of rundown. So do not stop here. Go to the next idiom in the playlist and keep growing your English step by step. This whole series is designed to build your fluency naturally, one expression at a time.